Welcome. If you want to customize your always on display in ASUS ROG Phone 5S, you have to open the settings. Next, go for the display, scroll down, and you have to go for the always on panel. At first we can change the animation, the AOD theme. So I would like to stay with this one. Click apply to confirm, and here we can pick the schedule time of the always on display. You can pick it like that, start and end time, and also we can get it always, so we can decide how to set it up. And that's my favorite setup. I'm gonna go back, and as you can see, our AOD has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.